Alright, y'all, welcome to Vlogmas today. Okay, so I'm about to go get something to eat. Actually about to go to work, but I'm gonna get Shake Shack first. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Alright, so we at Shake Shack with it. Let me show y'all what I got. I get the same thing every time I come here. Cheese fries, a Shack burger, and no tomatoes. And I'm sure people are gonna think I'm crazy this Vlogmas talking with this camera, or they're gonna think I'm super into myself. But yeah, so I'm basically about to eat this, and I'm gonna head to work. Then I'm gonna take you guys with me. I need to get the baby some sneakers, and I need to go to Target. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. Let me show y'all what I'm eating real quick. And this is my fries. This is a cheese sauce on the side, and then the Shack burger. My good. And a little Shake Shack bag. I'll probably do a thumbnail with this bag. But yeah, I'm gonna try to take y'all along with me when I really do things, because I don't like to vlog and I'm like not doing nothing. It's so boring to watch. So I'm gonna try to make sure that this Vlogmas is exciting and we're doing stuff. So stay tuned. Oh, look at my makeup. Look at my eyelash messing up. So I'm gonna eat and I'll come back. Okay, so either these.
You like those?
Or these ones. I kind of like these too. I know. I just wanted to come in and tell you guys, why have I been in Target for about an hour? An hour in Target. Also, I look a hot ass mess. I'm gonna show y'all all the things I got when I leave Target, because I'm gonna get copyrighted for this music. Y'all, look at the little tree in the shopping center where the Target is. This is too cute, the little Christmas tree. Alright, so I went to Vlogmas. I was trying to find the baby some hard bottom shoes, and I was torn between these ones that I got him. These are the Jordan 5, and I think the ones, but I ended up getting him these just because these are hard bottoms. These look super cute. Hopefully they fit his foot. I'm gonna put them on his foot and I'm gonna let y'all see if they fit him or not. So I got him these. Also, I'm sorry if the quality is like dark. I'm at my mom's house and it's like dark over here, but I got him this onesie, the baby. It says my first Christmas. I'll probably pair it up with like something, I don't know, but I'm paired up with something. I got him these pajamas. Of course they have like a lot of holiday stuff, so we got these pajamas, and then it comes with this hat. He'll probably be able to like wear this maybe a few times, because this is 9 months and he kind of is 12 months, but it depends on the cut, because this is cut kind of big. And then I saw this. I could not pass this up. This is like a nice hoodie, and it has these little pants. I guess you could wear this either for day or night. I don't really know, but it's cute. And this is 12 months. And everything is by the brand Just For You. So it's Carter's. Everything is Carter's. Reasonable price, I guess. So I got that. Also, I wanted to Shake Shack earlier too. I had like so much stuff I wanted to show you guys that I did. If I'm able to. Okay, I got another thing of eye patches. I also got a niacinamide. This is like basically this is like for hyperpigmentation. I have a full size of this at home, but I got this to try it out. And then I got a cleanser. I actually did need the cleanser. This is the anti-age cleanser, and it has some form of vitamin C, and it has glycolic acid in it as well. That's really good, just because I need this for like right now, so works out. And yeah, that's pretty much, that's everything I gotta show you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day number 3. It's the boss baby. Alright, So clearly me and the boss just woke up. He's watching Jules TV. I'm gonna show y'all what Jules TV is because he likes Gracie Corner and he likes Jules TV. So we're gonna watch this with you, and then and we're gonna get the day started. I really need to go to the beauty supply store. I need to head back to Long Island and get a few things. So yeah. Also, I need to put my charger up. I'm sorry, I'm like looking down, like I need to put my charger up. But yeah, that's that. I'm a little congested. It's definitely raining outside. I need to get something to eat as well. So yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all posted. But today's gonna be a pretty chill day because I have nothing to do. I have no place to go, and then that's really that. I just really need to do my hair. Like my hair has to get done. So today we'll probably spend the day doing my hair. But let me show y'all what he watching. And then this is Jules TV. He like loves Jules TV. Okay, I just had to show y'all this. Like, is anybody else kid on them like this? Like, why is he up on me like this? And this is how we gotta watch TV. Who is this? Is this
The lady?
No, why would I take a picture of her? Is that hookah on top of his car or what?
With all them antennas?
I'm trying to zoom in. I don't even know what this is.
He playing.
Look
Listen to him.
Alright, we at the beauty supply. The store, I don't plan on being here long at all, actually. I don't think I'm going to see what I'm looking for because I should have went to the beauty supply by me. Actually, no, I do see what I'm looking for. That's good. The beauty supply store got 613 weave. Where have I been? Like, they is really stepping it up. Like, the girls at the beauty supply is stepping it up. They have bundles. Y'all think this is real or y'all think it's fake? What do y'all think? But I need to focus. I came in here for a frontal. Let me get back to business. Look at this. This is some good ponytail here. This blonde, this is cute. This blonde and this burgundy, that'll be a real nice ponytail.